the wind is so intense, I don't have enough windage to hold over, so I have to reference the target to the fence post. Then I go over to the fence post to get my elevation right on it and then shoot. My trigger cam got knocked wonky, but here it is back, and you can see the miss from the shot. I came back on the target. It just missed on the top right. You see the splash. I did get a hit right there with this wind blowing like crazy. Oh. So here's some stuff off the Kestrel. We're hitting 25-mile-an-hour winds. Right now that's 19. You can see the holdover. I've actually held more than that. I'm holding 42, somewhere around there, to 55. It's crazy. Anyway, we'll see what we can do. I'm going to try to get a couple more on target before I pack up. Super windy.